Hi children, welcome to all of you all. I hope you have understood the last lesson. Last lesson what I did was how to get the general term from a number pattern. Now we are going to do the opposite today. What you are going to do is from the general term we are going to get the number pattern. For example, we will take a simple example. We will take the general term to be 4n minus 5. 4n minus 5 is the general term. Formula. This is the general term and the formula. 4n minus 5. So from this general term, what we should do is we have to first get the number pattern. How are we to get the number pattern? We look at this n. N is the important letter here. So the first term 1, what we do is we substitute 1 for n. 4 into 1 minus 5. 4 into 1, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So the first term is minus 1. We will take the other term, second term. Second term is 4 into 2 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Term 3 is equal to 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So minus 5, 1, 3, it goes on like that. So any number of terms you can get by substituting for the number n. So term 1 is minus 1, term 2 3, so term 3 7, and we can take see 4 is being added. So we can write the series minus 1, 3, 7 and 11, it goes on like that. So here from the general term that they are given, we have found the number pattern. So from these number patterns, we can have lot of questions. For example, supposing we want to find out term 11. We need not go on like this 1, 3 from 1 term to 3. We can immediately use the formula. Here, 4n minus 5. 4n minus 5, how to find the 11? Add 11 to n. 4 into 11 minus 5. That is 44 minus 5 is equal to 39. How we got 11? 11. 4 into 11, 44. 44 minus 5, 39. So, if you can't, we can get another question. Now, here we are finding term 11. Now, next question we can ask, which term is 71? Now, you have to find out which term is 71 out of this series. So, what we do is we just write the formula. 4n minus 5 is equal to 71. We write like that. Now, in this equation, what we should do is, now we have studied in simple equation, this minus 5 we bring to that side of the equation sign. So, this minus 5 becomes plus 5. So, 4n is equal to 71 plus 5. That is equal to 76. So, n is equal to, therefore, n is equal to 76 divided by 4, that is equal to 19. That is equal to 19. How did the 19 come? We will go through this again. Now, general term is 4n minus 5. So, in this one, general term is, we want to find the 11th term, 4 into 11. So, we put 11 for 4 and 4 into 11, 44 minus 5, 13. So, here the second question is, which term is 71? Which 71 is, we take the same formula, 4n minus 5 is 71. So, we have to find out n. So, 4n is equal to this minus 5, you have to be careful to bring to that side of the equation. When it comes to that side of the equation, this minus sign becomes plus. So, 71 plus 5 76. So, 4n equals 76, n is equal to 76 upon 4, that is equal to divide 19. Okay. You have to show that 20 is not a term of this pattern. How to do that? We use the same method. We write down 4n minus 5 is equal to 20. We put like that. Then again same rule, minus 5 into that side, 4n is equal to 20 plus 5. That is equal to 25. So, n is equal to 25 upon 4. So, you are getting a fraction here. N is a fraction. N is fraction. Therefore 20 is not a term of the series. How is that? Now 4n minus 5 is a general term. Now you have to show that 20 is not a term of this pattern. How to do that? What you do is we write down the formula 4n minus 5 equals 20. So equals 20. So 4n minus 5 is the same rule what we did earlier. Bring the 5 on that side become plus. Equal sign when you bring that side plus. So 20 plus 5 25. So 4n equal 25. N is equal to 25 divided by 4. Then 25 divided by 4 becomes a fraction. 6 point something. So n cannot be a fraction. It has to be a first term, second term, third. It has to be always a whole number. So if n is a fraction, then it is not a term. We will do one more example. Take the general term 7 minus 2n is a general term. Now the first question is, we want to find the first four terms. First four terms. So term 1 is equal to 7 minus 2 into 1. Now you have to be very, very careful, because most of the children, the mistake that they'll make is they will take away 2 from 7 and make it 5. 5 not 5. No, wrong. You have to follow the BODMAS rule wherever you come across. So you have the multiplication first. 7 minus 2 into 1, 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. The first term is 5. Term 2 equals 7 minus 2 into 2. So BODMAS rule 2 into 4. 7 minus 4, 3. Term 3, 7 minus 2 into 3, 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Term 4, 7 minus 2 into 4, 8. 7 minus 1. So minus. So series is 5, 3, 1, minus 1, and so on it goes. So this is the number pattern. First four terms. Second question. Find the 18th term. Find the 18th term. How to find the 18th term? We take the formula. So 7 minus 2 into 2n. That is equal to 7 minus 2 into 18. That is equal to 7 minus 36. 7 minus 36 equals 29. Minus 29, sorry. The minus is more. 7 minus 36 equals minus 29. So the 18th term of the series is minus 29. So the other question is, which term is minus 51? Which term equals minus 51? So same formula you take. 7 minus 2n is equal to minus 51. So here you are getting a minus 2n here. So what you do is bring the minus 2n that side and bring the minus 51 this side. Then the sign will change. So 7 plus 51 is equal to plus 2n. So 7 plus 21 is 57. 58. 58 is 2n. So you can rotate, that is you can put 2n equals 58, therefore n is equal to 29. So the 29th term is only minus 51. We will take one more sum on this. So as we did in the earlier sum, what we do is we write down 7 minus 2n is equal to minus 10. So we put that side on the side and make the negative positive. Bring the 2n that side. So 7 plus 10 is equal to 2n. 17 is equal to 2n. 2n equals 17. So n is equal to 17 upon 2, which is a fraction. So n is a fraction, Therefore, minus 10 is not a number in the series, in the pattern. So these are type of some children that you will be getting on number patterns. I hope you will do more and more sums on this and get as much practice as possible. I hope you have liked the lesson. If you like, please subscribe and ring the bell.